All right, hi guys, Ryan here once again. So today in the mail, or UPS, we got the SURECALL Fusion to Go OTR. So this is basically a cell phone signal booster specifically made for over-the-road truck. You can see he's got a nice little T660 on the front there. So SURECALL was nice enough to send this out to us to demo. As you guys know, I'm not driving anymore like it used to be. So what we were thinking was since we are approaching the 50,000 subscriber mark, about doing a giveaway and having one lucky subscriber get to come here and get this thing put in for free, and then demo it out and and get some feedback back so we can pass that along to other viewers. So if you're interested in learning more about this, we will put the link for it so you can get more information about it. Also, it is kind of pricey. I think the retail on this was MSRP was about $530 or so. So it's not a real cheap unit. So I'm kind of curious how it works out. Like I said, I've been out there on the road, out in Wyoming, New Mexico, and those places where the service sucks, and and a lot of times, if you're talking to a broker or something and you're trying to book a load real quick, where you might have 5 minutes and you lose that call, I mean, that type of stuff can cost you a lot of money. So if you can maintain good cell service and all that when you're trying to run a business, it can mean all that much more money in your pocket. So that's something else to keep in mind. But there'll be more to follow on that, more details, and if you're interested, stay tuned.